Hey, this is RV Outlet USA of North Myrtle Beach coming to you with a brand new unit here. This is a Dutchmen Voltage Triton 3521. It's a brand new model by Dutchmen Voltage here. It's a really beautiful model we have right here, and it has a lot of brand new features, a lot of really cool stuff. One of the things you can see on the outside is the power awning right here. There's also two ACs up on top. Also some really nice pass-through storage right there, aluminum wheels, and a ramp door patio in the back, just to name a few of the things here on this really nice toy hauler right here. So right here you can see the toy hauler ramp door, and on the sides it comes with the ramp door patio, and through those doors you will go into the garage area where you can store all of your power sports toys there. It also has a bed lift system that folds down and makes into a large bed right there. And through the door there, it'll lead into the living area. In here you'll find the master bedroom with a really large bed and a lot of overhead cabinet storage and cubby spaces there to store all of your items and everything that you want to bring along on your camping trip. And also over to the side here, it's a really large wardrobe slide here, which is perfect for fitting all of your clothes in there you want to bring along on your camping trip. Alright, and here is the very nice side aisle bathroom right here, which also has an entrance door from the hallway here or through the master bedroom there. It comes with a really nice foot flush toilet, a shower with a built-in seat there, and also a very nice sink and a medicine cabinet, and the sink also has underneath storage. So lots of room in the bathroom here and really nice features in here. So here is the really nice living area and kitchen area right here. Looking over here, you'll see the really nice couch right here. Really nice. It's on a slide out there, and beside of it, you'll see the four-door refrigerator there. And moving over to the kitchen area here, you can see the microwave and the oven and stove, and the stove top there also has a glass cover. And over here, you also see a little bar table there with two chairs, and right above it is an entertainment center with a really large LED television there. And above the doorway that goes out into the toy hauler, there's also a loft bed up there as well. And here's a better look at the living and kitchen area, walking through the door of the toy hauler here. And looking straight ahead, you'll see the pantry, which is great for storing all of your food that you want to bring along on your camping trip. And it also has plenty of drawer and overhead cabinet space, which provides a lot of storage in this toy hauler here. So it has a lot of great storage space and room, and has a lot to offer in this toy hauler, this Dutchmen Voltage Triton. Here's a closer look at the toy hauler section back here in the garage area. On the wall there, you'll see a washer and dryer hook up there. You can put a washer and dryer there. And also looking above, you can see the two power beds there that are on a lift system that come up and down, and you can fold them down to make a large bed there. And so it's a really nice and spacious area back there in the garage section of the toy hauler.